Hey, I'm doing a French drain right here behind me, and I just want to show you a couple of things I've learned. Maybe it'll help you if you guys are doing it at your house. So I had a ton of water that was coming off of this roof and just kind of sitting here. So I dug a trench and just made sure that I had fall so the water will flow downhill. And then you put this pipe in the ground. But before you put the pipe, you want to make sure you get some fabric down. So this is the cheap stuff from Home Depot, but I recommend going online and snagging some geotextile non-woven fabric. I went with the cheap stuff because I'm just gonna put rock all right here. So there's gonna be no soil that's gonna be getting in the way. But if you're gonna put sod on top of this fabric will prevent the sod from clogging up the drain and not allowing the water to flow. So you got your non-woven fabric here, and then you put your pipe, and then you fill the rest full of rock. This gravel's 57 stone, and then you fold it up, make a nice little burrito. It'll look like that, and you got yourself a French drain. So then when it rains, water's gonna come off the roof and it can pile up here and seep down into the rock and then follow its way down the drain and out into the woods. So this is a little bit of overkill in my situation, but hopefully that'll help someone out who wants to take on a French drain. Let me know in the comments, is there anything that you saw me do here that you'd do different? Maybe we can help out some other people who are gonna take on a project like this themselves.